Hello, welcome to Tuesday's tip from the workshop. Today the final inspection before the top goes on. Every time, decades, hundreds and hundreds of guitars, every time I sit and look at the back and the sides and chase every little glue bead down, every little scratch down, and I think it's done, and I put my viewfinder on the top, on the side assembly like this is right here, and I see things I hadn't seen before. It's just an amazing thing. So this is what I like to do. I take a sound hole and a piece of scrap brace, put it on there, and then I look in here as if it's the sound hole to see things that I may have missed during the final cleanup. Now, I've seen people take this idea and expand on it by taking a top and putting a top, just the top that you're getting ready to put on before you glue it on, sit there and look in there. That's not as good. With this, with all this open space here, you get a lot more light. Whoops. You get a lot more light coming in from both the sides, the back, everything, so you can really see a lot better, and there's nothing like natural light. This isn't natural light, but there's nothing like ambient light versus a flashlight. With the ambient light, you get more of an even glow, and you can see things that you can't see, which is the spotlight of a flashlight. So it's easy. It will make the interior of your guitars look better, and this is your last opportunity to clean it up before the top goes on. So be happy building guitars.